Hi guys, I've been working like crazy and I'm making great progress on the deer. I thought this would be a perfect time to catch you guys up because I'm at kind of a cool point. Okay. So, ta-da! Got a lot done. And I'm really happy about the way the sprockets are allowing me to conform to the shape of the structure I have underneath. I collected a ton of different bike parts for this project, and I had everything from like chains, sprockets, front forks, seats, I mean, you name it, I have it now. And I was kind of questioning what bike parts to use. And for example, like for the front legs, did I want to use front forks with shocks? I decided to stick with the sprockets because they have that nice silver appearance and they're letting me stick to the form that I think will be a better bet for the artwork itself. Keep the quality of the artwork high is my main goal. So, here's kind of a cool thing to show you guys for the process here. So I have this side covered. And this is what it looks like underneath. So I'll cover this side next, but you can see I've got all the curvature underneath here that I want to follow for the final sculpture shape. So I don't know, kind of a cool before and after, half done, half not done kind of a thing, see? So anyway, I'm really pleased with how it's coming out. I decided to put the legs on last just so it's easier for me to move around in my rather small shop as I work on it. One thing that came as a bit of a surprise to me when I started digging into this project was that all these really shiny looking silver bike parts that I thought were stainless steel are actually not stainless steel. They are nickel-plated, chrome-plated steel. So that means I'm welding steel parts onto a stainless steel frame. Now it is very high carbon steel that's plated. So it does have some corrosion resistant properties to it, but it is not quite the same as the stainless steel. That means there is some potential for rusting wherever I've welded it, wherever there's a weld join on this. And I thought long and hard about that, like should I back up and just have a bunch of sprockets cut out of stainless steel, like imitation bike parts? But I don't know, to me, the fact that these are actual bike parts people have donated for years in hopes of a sculpture getting made out of them, I think that's one of the cool aspects of this piece that supersedes the corrosion resistant concerns. Every one of these pieces on here represents somebody's adventures and fun they've had on their bike. To me, that's something that gives this sculpture some extra meaning and is more important than it being 100% stainless steel. Mountain bikers have a tendency to like to keep it real, and since this is going at a mountain bike park, I think that the audience for this sculpture will appreciate the fact that genuine parts were used, whether or not it's 100% rust-free or not as years go by. I've got about 5 weeks to go, I think, until the installation. There isn't a firm date set yet, but I'm really looking forward to being able to show this to people and installing it in its beautiful new, still top secret, new home at a brand new mountain bike trail being built north of the Twin Cities next year. I might be able to give you a few more hints in the next video. we'll see. I'm still sworn to secrecy so far, so stay tuned. Thanks for hanging out. See you later. Bye.